Subscribe to Jessie's Recipes and click on the bell icon for more updates. Hello everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I have been quiet for some days without any videos, and this is after a long time. But I'm sure this would be an interesting video which is in a vlog type. And I'm really sorry for making you all wait so long. This video is bit special. My Instagram followers would have guessed by this time what video is up now by seeing my Instagram stories. So if you are wondering what's so special, it's my husband's birthday on 13th of January. So we plan to spend our upcoming days in Nuerelia and spend some adventures like hiking in fresh air. I started to pack our clothes and got all our things. Since it's Nuerelia, it's very cold there, so I took some jackets and all. Also, I quickly packed all the gifts for my husband before he comes home because that day he was in Colombo. These are the gifts I got for him. If it was for girls, there are many choices, but for gents, there are no much choices. I already gifted him wristwatch, perfumes all, so I had no much choices. So I had to go with these gifts. Next, I decided to surprise him with a simple cake. Since we planned for a trip, I didn't have much time to prepare a grand cake. My family and my husband will die for Laches. Since I didn't have much time, I decided to go with this simple and easy cake. I will definitely upload a separate recipe video in Laches in future. My husband arrived home at around 11:30 and my in-laws arranged a surprise. So they called us and we went there at 12 for the surprise. We couldn't cut the cake which I made since we went to our in-laws' place. We had to cut the cake which she made. It's not that far from our house. It would take only few minutes to go to our in-laws' place. We returned back home, but the next day morning only we had to cut the cake which I made, but I couldn't capture that as my brother and sisters were getting ready to go to school. So I was able to capture only gifts unwrapping video. And then we were getting ready to go to Nuerelia. Okay, you guys stay tuned for the next video because I have shot interesting videos in Nuerelia and have a lot of fun. So I'll see you in the next video, and I would like to say a thank you for watching this video. Please remember to give it a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Please leave a comment below. I'd love to hear from you. And if you have not already subscribed, click subscribe now and also click the little bell icon so that you get notified the next video that I publish. Thanks once again for watching and goodbye.